In this video, I'm going to show you how Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai continues to produce normally. As many of you know and have asked in the comment section under my previous videos, a massive heatwave in China has been forcing manufacturing plants to either slow down or limit production for Tesla and some other companies. And some of you have been worried, like, how is this going to affect Tesla? Well, we have a new fresh video from our friend Wuwa who shows how normally Tesla continues to operate from Giga Shanghai. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to this channel. Also like this video if you found the information helpful. So I'm going to get started from some basic information that you need to know. How important is China for Tesla, and how Tesla, China, actually Elon Musk and China are forging good connectivity. For Tesla, the Chinese market is just as important, not to say essential, as it is for German car makers. 6 million electric cars are sold in People's Republic of China every year, according to German publication Focus.d. 6 million only electric cars. This is the largest electric car market in the world, and also the largest car market in the world. So last year, Tesla achieved more than a quarter of its total sales in the People's Republic with $13.8 billion. In 2019, this share was almost $3 billion, and that's just over 11%. So look how it has jumped from 2019 from $3 billion to $13.8 billion, almost $14 billion. Musk needs good relationship with Beijing to continue growing his company's sales in China. And looks like this relationship is going well, because we see that the Gigafactory Shanghai, despite the massive heat waves in China that have been forcing manufacturing plants to either slow down or limit production for Tesla, Apple, and Toyota. Tesla already has also reported on the heat wave, which was first mentioned by CNN a couple of days ago. The Tesla Giga Shanghai is still producing normally, despite claims that the factory is affected by limited production or closure measures due to extreme weather. As you are seeing in this video, our friend Wuwa, who has been operating his drone several times a week since the beginning of Giga Shanghai, shows how normal the production and operations are going on at Giga Shanghai. According to the initial report by CNN a couple of days ago, the heat wave caused consistent 104 degrees Fahrenheit and above temperatures. The Yangtze River, which is China's largest river, has shrunk to the point that 70 cities declared drought conditions. The same river feeds into the Three Gorges Dam, China's largest dam. Axios noted that some of China's hydropower has gone offline and stated that Apple, Tesla, Toyota, Foxconn, and Volkswagen are among the companies with factories that are affected by the closure measures. Now, the reports claiming that Tesla is affected seem to be a bit off in light of a recent tweet by our friend Wuwa, who has presented this footage that you're seeing on your screen, who has been continuously documenting the activity at Tesla Gigafactory in Shanghai. Wuwa shared this latest video from the time of today, actually from today, and you can see how normal the things are going with China. A couple of days ago, when asked by James Cat on Twitter if Wuwa had seen a slowdown in production due to the power issues, Wuwa confirmed that Tesla's Giga Shanghai Gigafactory is still operating as normal. He also added that the electricity restriction in Shanghai is primarily for the city landscape and advertising lights, and that it will not restrict industrial electricity consumption. This is how Tesla Giga Shanghai is operating, because the restrictions are primarily for city landscape, advertising lights, and that it will not restrict industrial electricity consumption. So for the time being, at least, Tesla's Giga Shanghai is producing normally and isn't being impacted by the restrictions brought on by the heat wave. By the way, if you guys are from Shanghai area, or if you are from China, or if you know the weather very well, because I haven't checked the latest weather there, what is the forecast? Have you seen any rains? Have you seen any alleviation of the situation coming up? Please let me know. I would greatly appreciate that. And Wuwa had also added that Tesla's suppliers are likely to be affected, but Tesla has enough parts in stock. That's important. Tesla has enough parts in stock despite its suppliers possibly being affected. He said that the power restrictions are mainly in the southwest of China, while the eastern portion of the nation has a normal power supply. And so you're watching Wuwa's video. Let me know what friends you think about this. Let's continue watching it together. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, because you will help to put this video in front of more people who may be interested in electric vehicles while not having electric vehicles. You know, a couple of days ago, or this morning, I think, or yesterday, I did a poll on our Torque News YouTube channel's community page asking, when was the last time you drove an electric vehicle? 50-some%, half of the people who have responded said they never drove an electric vehicle. So by watching this channel and, you know, liking it, sharing it, you're helping to speed up the transition of electric vehicle. So please subscribe to our channel. God bless you, and I look forward to your comments. And let's continue watching Wuwa's video. And thank you, Wuwa, for this video, for providing materials from Gigafactory Shanghai.